How to download Microsoft 365 mobile app. Want to use Microsoft or Excel on your phone? Microsoft 365's mobile app makes working on the go super easy. Let's get your setup in no time. Open the App Store or Google Play Stores on Android, then search for Microsoft 360. Then you can see Microsoft 365 Copilot. Tap on Install. Make sure your internet connection is fast for smoother and faster download. If you don't want to miss out any updates, over here at the top you can see a three dot icon where you can see enable auto updates. Make sure it's turned on. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Microsoft account.